Picture this: a beautiful, expensive leather bag, gifted to you on a special birthday. Every stitch, perfect. Every curve, crafted. And now, 2 years later, it's sitting in your closet. Dull, cracked, losing its charm. No spills, no scratches, and yet, it aged like a forgotten antique. Why? Because most people destroy their leather bags without realizing it. Not with violence, but with silence. With neglect. And today, we're going to break that cycle. If you care about the things you carry and the memories they hold, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Because what we're about to uncover could save your favorite bag. Click the link below to gain access to our free community. As an added bonus, you will get a free Top 10 Cleaning Products Guide and a free emergency cleaning checklist. Let me take you back to a moment. A woman receives a deep brown Italian leather handbag from her mother. It's not just a fashion accessory, it's an heirloom, a connection, a piece of history passed down with love. But a few rainy days later, a dusty closet and months of no care, and the leather? It starts to peel, to lose shape. The color fades. That shine? Gone. It wasn't carelessness, it was not knowing. And unfortunately, this happens to all of us. We think leather is strong. We assume it's built to last. But in reality, leather is like skin. It breathes, it dries, and yes, it dies if not treated well. So what's the right way to clean a leather bag? You don't need a $50 cleaning kit. You don't need special training. All you need is a little patience, a few gentle tools, and respect for the material. Here's what you'll need. A clean microfiber cloth, mild soap like baby shampoo or saddle soap, a soft brush or old toothbrush, leather conditioner or natural oil, and lukewarm water. Optional, white vinegar for deeper cleaning. Step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Dust the bag off first. Start with a dry microfiber cloth. Wipe gently to remove surface dirt. Focus on seams, folds, and under the handles. Step 2. Make a gentle cleaning solution. Mix a few drops of baby shampoo in lukewarm water. Avoid soaking the cloth. It should be damp, not wet. Step 3. Clean in circles. Use the damp cloth and move in gentle circular motions. If there are deeper stains, dip a soft brush lightly and scrub gently, never aggressively. Step 4. Wipe the bag dry. Take a separate clean cloth and gently wipe down the bag. Never let water sit on the surface. Step 5. Condition the leather. Once dry, apply leather conditioner with your fingertips or a soft cloth. Think of it like moisturizing your skin after a shower. Rub it in slowly, in circles. Let it absorb for a few hours. Step 6. Store the bag properly. Don't stuff the bag. Fill it with tissue paper to maintain its shape. Store it in a cotton dust bag, or dust builds slowly. Condition twice a year for long-term softness. Never hang it for long periods. The weight stretches leather unnaturally. Use a rain cover or umbrella when walking outdoors in wet weather. Remember, it's easier to maintain than to repair. This isn't just about looking polished or Instagram aesthetics. It's about respect. Respect for the things we own. For the stories they carry. Your leather bag might have traveled across cities, carried letters, gifts, dreams. Maybe it's the bag you took to your first job interview, or the one your partner gave you on your anniversary. These items are part of your journey, so why let them fade? Cleaning and caring for them is like honoring your own past. Let me leave you with this thought. Every time we clean something with care, we reconnect with its value. We remember why we got it, who gave it to us, and what part of our life it witnessed. A leather bag, when cared for properly, doesn't just last longer, it lives longer. So today, go take out that bag you haven't used in a while. Look at it again, and instead of tossing it aside, bring it back to life. If this story helped you see your leather bag with new eyes, give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Click the link below to gain access to our free community. As an added bonus, you will get a free Top 10 Cleaning Products Guide and a free emergency cleaning checklist. We tell stories that clean more than just surfaces. They clean our perspective too. And comment below, what's one item you thought you lost forever, but saved? Let's share the small wins, because they matter more than we think.